Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Tomorrow is gonna make 2 weeks since my grandmother had passed away. However, I am taking it one day at a time. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'm still having trouble accepting the fact that she's gone. The only thing that actually worked for me was lighting up a candle for my grandmother each and every night. Other than that, I'm taking it one day at a time. That's not the only reason why I made this video. And today's video is gonna be about, you guessed it, my skin. Let's get right into it. All right, you guys, as you can see, this video was posted on my TikTok 3 months ago, and I've used the turmeric, the honey, and the aloe vera method thinking that it would work for my skin. But honestly, I didn't get the results that I wanted. I didn't get the clear face that I wanted. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I pulled this recipe up from TikTok because I said to myself, oh, everybody on TikTok is doing it. Maybe I should give it a try. Like, I know everyone else's skin is different. I get it. Like, I know it worked for everyone else's skin, but when it came to my skin wasn't clearing up. Like, my skin just got worse. So I started breaking out again from my chin, from my upper lip, from my cheeks. It was just not cute. So that's basically what happened. All right, so I'm gonna take this baby right here and I'm gonna rinse this off. All right, now that it's clean and rinsed off, now it's time for me to cut this off. All right, as you can see, I'm gonna start cutting the ends, just like that. Then I'm gonna leave that piece to the side. Then I'm gonna start off by cutting the sides. And once I'm finished cutting both sides, I throw those pieces out in the garbage. And once I finish cutting both sides, I cut the leaf into 4 pieces, like so. And just like that, I cut the leaf into 4 pieces. And once I'm done cutting them into 4 pieces, this is what your aloe vera leaf should look like. All right, now that I'm done cutting the sides, cutting this into 2 pieces, watch me peel this off. And the peeling process begins. So I start peeling off almost every piece of the aloe vera leaf. Let me give you a quick fact. The gel itself, it feels slimy, especially when you touch the gel itself. And this is how your aloe vera gel should look like, cut into 4 pieces. Then I take one of the gel and I apply it all over my face. After that, I leave it on for like 10 minutes or so. Then I rinse it off after 10 minutes and I am done. So I waited 10 minutes, washed my face, and I don't know about you, but the whole aloe vera by itself works way better than mixing that with the turmeric and the honey. It was not for me. That is it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on that notification bell to stay up to date. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. The links will be listed on the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.